Okay, let's have a look at the full system of Denali jacket and Denali trousers together. When we designed the Denali jacket, we designed a pair of trousers to go with them to make a complete setup, a suit type of setup where you've got jacket and trousers together, and they make a very, very lightweight piece of equipment for high altitude mountaineering. And if we just look at let's look at the weights first of all. The Denali jacket weighs 725 grams for a medium. Let's have a look at the trousers. The trousers weigh, a medium-sized pair of Denali trousers weighs approximately 430 grams. So overall, put them together, you've got a setup which isn't much more than 1.1 kilos for the whole thing. So that is really very, very lightweight. And of course, lightweight is good news. If you're carrying it, it's less space it's less weight to carry, of course, and smaller in its pack size. 2 stuff sacks, one for the trousers, one for the jacket, and in total just over 1.1 kilos in weight. So remarkable piece of equipment. Let's just have a look at the trousers that go with them. They're very, very simple. They're using lightweight skills that we've acquired from making super lightweight kit. And one of the key things about these trousers is they don't have braces on them. Normally with high altitude expedition kit you have braces to stop trousers travelling and falling down and getting cold air around your waist and your kidneys and so on. It's not necessary with the Denali trousers because they're so lightweight. What we've done is we've put a heavy duty elasticated band around the back of the trousers and an adjustable elasticated cord at the front so they can be cinched in and really held up. That's all they need. That's a big advantage. One of the things with salopettes and with braces on trousers is you've got to consider how do you go to the loo, how do you go to the toilet. Well, with lightweight trousers that don't have braces, you don't need a rainbow zip or some sort of system to get in and out. You can drop them and get to the toilet and you're sorted. They don't have a fly at the front. That's just box wall down construction all the way up front. So they don't have a zip and a fly and any loss of insulation around your groin. They are straightforward, and as I say, when you need to answer a call of nature, very simple to manage. Nothing on the back to add weight and get in the way. Don't need any complex systems to manage that part of living high on the mountains. Right, let's have a look at them in a bit more detail. They've got a full length zip down the side leg, one on each leg, full length zip. It's a two-way zip, so 2 sliders, one port is at the top and one at the bottom, and they've got a velcroed tab just over the top there. Now these zips come apart at the top, so if you want to take the trousers off, they'll come apart. You zip them up from the ankle and then they'll come apart at the top. That's very handy. It means you're not kneeling down, you're not having to work bent or close to the floor. You can handle it right at your waist. To do that, you've got a tab. So to put these trousers on, of course they can be put on if you're wearing crampons, you don't need to put your legs through, and they can be put on if you've got skis on and so on. You don't need to take skis off to get these on. They can be simply unzipped all the way to the top, put them round your waist, and initially just use the tab just to get control of the trouser, and use the tab on both sides, and then take the tab off one side and get the zip sorted. So they're very, very straightforward. They're not complex and difficult to take off or to put on. So that's the Denali trousers. They're filled with 1000 fill-power down. Why? Because it's the best and the lightest. They've got water resistant ultra shell fabric on the outer. That, although you're not going to be working you're not going to have rain in these sorts of temperatures, -38, there's still a chance that water's around. You could spill water on them, you could spill your cup of coffee on them, or indeed if you were in a snow hole and when you cook in a snow hole it warms up and you get a few drips, don't you? So they're proofed on the outer. The inner is 10x, very lightweight 10 denier, downproof, waterproof, windproof fabric, very soft, allows the down to loft. So that's the details. There's more details, obviously. You can see them on the product page. The Denali Trousers product page, but the key thing here was for us to look at them in detail with the jacket. The full system is just over 1.1 kilos. That's exceptionally light for high altitude mountaineering and for fast polar travel. Okay, cheers.